From space, Earth appears blue, a living world, wrapped in oceans. More than 70% of our planet is covered by water. Yet despite centuries of exploration, we have mapped the surface of Mars more completely than the deepest parts of our own ocean. Hidden beneath these endless waters lies a world unlike anywhere else on Earth, a place where sunlight has never reached, where pressure can crush steel, and where extraordinary life has evolved in complete darkness. This is the dark side of the ocean. From above, the ocean seems calm, endless, peaceful, but beneath its surface, another world begins. Every meter downward changes everything. Light begins to disappear, temperature falls, pressure rises, and the familiar world slowly fades into darkness. At 200 meters, the sunlight begins to disappear. This is known as the Twilight Zone. Colors vanish, shadows grow longer, vision becomes difficult. Here, survival depends on adaptation. Every creature must either hunt or avoid becoming prey. Beyond 1,000 meters, sunlight no longer exists. This is the Midnight Zone, a world of permanent darkness. Temperatures hover just above freezing. The pressure is hundreds of times greater than at the surface, yet life continues in forms stranger than fiction. To survive here, every creature has evolved extraordinary abilities. Some create their own light. Others detect vibrations invisible to human senses. Every movement, every flash, every sound can mean the difference between life and death. In the deepest ocean, nothing is wasted. Every adaptation has a purpose. As daylight fades above the surface, something extraordinary begins below. Hidden within the darkness, billions of marine animals start moving. Tiny shrimp, lanternfish, squid, jellyfish, creatures that spend the day hidden hundreds of meters below, begin an incredible journey upward. Scientists call it the Deal vertical migration. It is the largest migration on Earth, and it happens every single night. From above, the ocean appears empty, but beneath the surface, a river of life flows toward the light. Every night, more than 10 billion tons of marine life move together. This silent migration is larger than every herd on land combined. Without it, the ocean's food chain would collapse. But the migration is also a hunt. Every predator knows that millions of prey are rising. Out of the darkness, hunters appear. Giant squid, swordfish, tuna, dolphins, even whales join the feast. In the deep ocean, every night becomes a race between survival and hunger. In a world without sunlight, life creates its own illumination. More than 70% of deep-sea creatures can produce light. Some use it to attract prey, others to communicate. Many use it simply to disappear. By matching the faint glow from above, they become almost invisible. One of nature's greatest illusions exists in complete darkness. Beyond 4,000 meters, the ocean floor begins to level out. Stretching across the planet lies an endless landscape known as the Abyssal Plain. It is one of the largest habitats on Earth, yet it remains one of the least explored. Here, time seems to slow. Food is scarce. Temperatures remain just above freezing. Every living creature must survive in one of the harshest environments our planet has ever created. In the deep ocean, there are no forests, no grasslands, no sunlight. Instead, life depends on something called marine snow. Tiny particles of organic matter slowly drift down, From the surface, the remains of microscopic organisms, fragments of plants, and nutrients carried by the currents. For many deep-sea animals, this silent snowfall is their only source of food. At first glance, it looks prehistoric, covered in armored plates, with 14 powerful legs and enormous compound eyes. This is the giant isopod, a distant relative of the tiny pillbugs found in gardens around the world. In the deep ocean, food can be scarce for months, even years. So when opportunity arrives, nothing is wasted. Gracefully drifting above the ocean floor is one of the deepest living octopuses ever discovered, the dumbo octopus. Named after its ear-like fins, it moves, not with speed, but with elegance. Every gentle motion conserves precious energy. In a place where every meal is uncertain, efficiency means survival. Few creatures better represent life in the deep ocean than the anglerfish. In complete darkness, it carries its own source of light, a glowing lure produced through a partnership with bioluminescent bacteria. Curious prey swim closer, believing they have found safety. Instead, they discover one of the ocean's most remarkable predators. Despite its name, the vampire squid is neither a true squid nor an octopus. It belongs to an ancient lineage that has survived for millions of years. Living in waters with almost no oxygen, it thrives where few other animals can survive. A reminder that evolution always finds a way. For centuries, scientists believed life on Earth could not exist without sunlight. Then, in 1977, everything changed. Nearly 2.5 kilometers beneath the Pacific Ocean, explorers discovered towering chimneys, spewing water hotter than molten lead. They called them hydrothermal vents. It was one of the greatest discoveries in the history of science. At these depths, sunlight has never existed. Yet everywhere, life flourishes, not because of photosynthesis, but because of chemistry. Tiny microorganisms transform chemicals released from Earth's interior into energy. This process, known as chemosynthesis, supports entire ecosystems. It proves that life can thrive in ways we once believed impossible. Some of the strangest animals ever discovered live here. Giant tube worms, reaching more than 2 meters in length. They have no mouth, no stomach, no digestive system. Instead, their survival depends entirely on symbiotic bacteria living inside their bodies. Together, they transform chemistry into life. Hiding among the vents is a creature unlike any other, the Yeti crab. Its pale body is covered in fine silky hairs. These unusual structures are home to colonies of bacteria. The crab carefully farms them, grooming them constantly. In one of Earth's harshest environments, cooperation has become a way of life. Looking across this landscape, it is easy to imagine another planet. Towering chimneys, superheated water, strange creatures living without sunlight. Yet this place exists here on Earth. Every expedition continues to reveal new species, new ecosystems, and new questions about how life can survive. If life can flourish here in complete darkness, could similar worlds exist elsewhere in our solar system? Far beneath the Pacific Ocean lies the deepest place on Earth, the Mariana Trench, stretching for more than 2,500 kilometers. It is so deep that if Mount Everest were placed inside, its highest peak would still remain more than 2 kilometers below the surface. This is Earth's final frontier, a place few humans have ever seen. At the bottom, the pressure exceeds 1,000 times that at sea level. Every square centimeter experiences more than 1,000 kilograms of force. An ordinary submarine would collapse long before reaching these depths. Only specially engineered vehicles can survive this crushing environment. Yet, even here, life endures. On January 23, 1960, two explorers, Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh, became the first humans to reach Challenger Deep. Their journey took nearly 5 hours through endless darkness into a world no person had ever witnessed before. Their achievement changed ocean exploration forever. For decades, scientists believed nothing could survive at these depths. They were wrong. Tiny amphipods, sea cucumbers, delicate jellyfish, and remarkable snailfish have all been discovered, living under crushing pressure. Every discovery reminds us that life is far more resilient than we once imagined. There are no storms here, no crashing waves, no sunlight, only silence. A silence broken only by distant geological forces and the quiet movements of creatures perfectly adapted to one of the harshest places on Earth. In this darkness, we are reminded that exploration is not only about discovering new places, it is about discovering how extraordinary our own planet truly is. Every satellite, every research vessel, every expedition has helped us understand our planet. Yet, more than 80% of the ocean has never been fully explored. Vast mountain ranges, hidden valleys, ancient volcanoes, entire ecosystems still wait beyond the reach of human eyes. Every journey into the deep reminds us that the greatest discoveries may still lie ahead. Every day, hydrophones listen to the ocean, recording earthquakes, whale songs, volcanic eruptions, shifting ice, and countless sounds. Across the ocean floor, thousands of ships lie undisturbed. Some are centuries old, others vanished within living memory. Each wreck preserves a story, frozen in the darkness. Together, they form the largest museum on Earth, one that few people will ever visit. New technologies are changing the way we explore. Autonomous underwater vehicles, artificial intelligence, advanced sonar, and robotic explorers can now reach places once considered impossible. Every mission maps another piece of our planet. Every discovery brings new questions because exploration never truly ends. Every generation has looked toward the horizon, wondering what lies beyond. Today, that horizon lies beneath the waves. The deep ocean remains one of the last great frontiers, a place of extraordinary beauty, astonishing life, and enduring mystery. The deeper we explore, the more we realize how much we have yet to learn. Perhaps the greatest discovery is not a creature or a lost city, but the understanding that our own planet still holds wonders beyond imagination. Until the next expedition, the ocean keeps its secrets, waiting for those willing to explore.